Hello there, fourth grade. Miss Muldoon here. I created this video to help you guys understand Think Central better. So what you're going to first do to complete all of your math assignments is first you're going to log on to Clever, and I attached the link in your Google Classroom assignment. When you click on Clever, you'll be accessed to a new page where you're going to click on the little Think Central icon. When you click on Think Central, you'll be brought to a page where you'll have three options. You're going to click on Things to Do. Okay? When you click on Things to Do, all of your assignments will be right there for you, easy for you to access. Okay? Now, when you click on one of your assignments, it might say 6.3 video. When you click on the 6.3 video, you'll be directed to this page right in front of you. It'll come up with an essential question and it will help you complete your work for today. So the first page here gives your essential question. When you press start, you'll be brought to a box and he prompts you. You could watch that. If you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. Next, you could click on the blue
Vicky
circle.
made a fruit tart and cut it into 8 equal pieces. Vicky, Sylvia, and Elena each took 2 pieces of the tart home. Vicky says she and each of her friends took 1/4 of the tart home. Is Vicky correct? Let's look at how the tart was divided among Vicky and her friends.
So you will be given a question, and the question helps you with today's essential question and today's skill, okay, which is getting fractions in their simplest form. When you click this button right here, it goes step by step for you, and it's interactive. So meaning you need to click on, may need to click on some things, and you might need to bring back some of your background knowledge, as in multiplication facts and division facts. So you'll do that with her. With the Explorer. Then you could, when you're finished, this little arrow here, the orange arrow at the bottom of your screen will blink, and you're going to click on the arrow.
A fraction is in simplest form.
You'll be brought to another word problem that the website interactively helps you step by step. You'll complete that, and then you'll be brought to another new section. And your orange arrow will also blink when you're done.
When 1 is the only factor that the numerator and denominator have in common, then a fraction is in simplest form. The parts of the whole cannot be combined.
You'll be prompted with another word problem. And this is fun because you can interactively play with models, and it'll help you successfully understand what you should be doing. And then finally, your orange button down here, the arrow, will blink again.
Right, 2/10.
And you'll be brought to your share and show. And again, things are going to blink. When it blinks, click it.
Select the common factors by which to divide the numerator.
You're going to have to go and put numbers in boxes. It helps you. I'm telling you, work with this. If you're having trouble, it's going to help you. Okay, finally, your orange arrow is going to blink again.
Now, let's practice with the personal math trainer.
When you get to this, you're going to click this. And you're actually going to click it, and a new window is going to pop open where you'll have 2 questions to answer. Some of them are a little wordy, some of them aren't. You're going to answer these 2 questions. When you're done, you can click check answer, and it tells you if it's right. If it's right, it's going to have an arrow there for you. If it's wrong, it's going to tell you try again. And the cool thing about this website is it has a section where you can view an example, help you step by step, math on the spot. It shows a video. So there's a lot of cool tools that you can use to help you solve the answers. When you're done completing questions number 1 and 2, there's going to be a button that pops up here, submit. You're going to click submit. Okay, I'm clicking X because I didn't do them, so you're going to click submit here. When you're done with that, it's going to pop open here.
Now try your homework on your own.
And this is going to be your homework. There's going to be between 10 and 14 questions here, and you can see down here what question you're on out of how many. You can also go through here in order for you to look at what questions you have to do. These are easy. They're quick questions. So look at putting numbers in simplest form. If you don't know how to do that, from watching that video, go to the step-by-step. It shows you what you should do. List factors. That's one of the rules you should do to find fractions in simplest form. Okay? Again, when you get through all of your questions, which are 14 of them, over here is going to be a little submit button. Submit it. And then your work is done for the day. Make sure you're submitting it because that's how you get credit. If you need any help, you can always pop in during a Zoom. If you need any help, you can always email me. I hope this helped you guys understand what you should be doing in Think Central better. Bye, boys and girls.